All right, so today we're looking at a 2015 Landoll 930. It's a 48-foot trailer, 102 wide. You can see it's a southern trailer. It's clean underneath, not a whole lot of rust or anything like that. Airlift recess ramp to load the neck. Deck's in pretty decent shape. It's got one spot over there that I'd want somebody to point out. It does have the center chain slots, which is nice. Low Pro 22.5 wheels and tires, I'm sorry. Basically, kind of your stereotypical Landoll. Maybe cleaner than most. Operates smoothly. I'll take a video of that as well. It's got the swing out lights, which I love to say in my videos aren't worth anything. This trailer does not have the slide out side steps. It's got drop down landing gear. It's got the larger winch. We get some of these Landolls in with a little bit smaller winch, which isn't really that bad. It's not like you're gonna hang the trailer from a tree or anything, but some people really like the bigger winch if it's available. Give us a call if we can help, 713-675-5922, and that's AA Diesel Truck and Equipment Inc. And we also have a large selection of lead well trailers as well. So if you don't want to spend $60,000 on a Landoll, we can certainly get you fixed up with a much less expensive lead well. Give us a buzz. Thanks now.